Hey, Skip, I also want to point out one more thing. I am absolutely insulted as a New Hampshire resident, as an American citizen, that President Obama has made a conscious decision to completely disrespect every single man and woman that's ever worn a uniform and not go to Arlington Cemetery and lay down a wreath. It's completely disrespecting everything we're all about and all those people that we need to support in our society today. But he thinks taking a trip back to Chicago to eat at some fancy restaurant is more important to all those people who are defending everything that we believe in. This is, to me, the worst thing he's done since he's become president.